Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday directions video. Some new things today. I'm going to kind of go in a little more detail on how the assignments should be turned in because people are kind of having a little bit of trouble. So we'll kind of just clear all this stuff up before we head into the heart of the week. First thing, I added a new topic here. Of course, guys, when you go to our Google Classroom, don't go to the stream because this has been a Google Classroom that's been set up for like a couple of years now. So the dates aren't going to make sense. If you're clicking on the dates, it's not going to help you. So make sure you're always going to the classwork so you kind of get it to look like this. I added the weekly directions video category here. So like it'll be the Monday video, Tuesday video, Wednesday video. Normally I just delete them, but I figured I would keep them up there because obviously people are sick and people are gone once in a while. So I'll keep the directions video up for the remainder of the week. Today's assignment, 2.2, we're still working on. Yesterday, you guys did the landforms. That's a part of the reading. So let's kind of take a look here and see what's going on. So at the end of today, you're going to turn in a Google Doc that has 10 questions answered. And as you can see, it's just a kind of a fill in the blank for the most part. So to help you answer those questions, it's the 2.2 reading. And the questions are like verbatim, like inside of the reading. So as long as you're reading along, you'll be able to find the answers pretty easily. And obviously, I would look at the bolded words and the underlined words. That's a big clue. And they'll probably what some of the answers are. So you have your worksheet here. Okay, so let me kind of give you a mock idea of how to set up your doc here. So on this one, there's no file, make a copy like there was yesterday. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say, Chapter 2, Section 2. So if you wanted to, you have your Google Doc here. You can just go 2.2 worksheet, just like it is. If you want to, you can get fancy. You can do some stuff like that or whatever, but no big deal here. So I got 2.2 worksheet, and then there's 10 questions. So you kind of just, answer the questions as you go. But here's like a good way that you could probably just set this up nice and easy. And then now when you go, just type out your answer. Again, I don't need anything crazy. Just type out your answer. Keep a space in between so I can see what the answer is. And then just turn it in when you're done. It's not supposed to be complicated. So make sure we're doing that. And just read through and answer the 10 questions, guys. It's not brain surgery today. Again, like we said, we're kind of getting the basic stuff covered. So by the end of the week, we can start our project on the earthquakes. But that's it for today, guys. Always make sure you check in for attendance as well. So make sure you let me know that you're here. And good luck reading and working, and have a good day, everybody.